Today we're looking at the CRM module inside of NAV 2016 as viewed from the phone client. Now, of course, this functionality is also available on all the other different clients, the tablet client, the web client, and the Windows client. And those do offer more real estate for you to look at. As a sales manager on the road, having your phone in your hand, being able to look up information, manage your customers and contacts, opportunities and whatnot, is very useful functionality to have. The screen right now shows the My Customers list. This is the list of the customers that you manage, and you're able to manage which ones will show up on the My Customers as opposed to the entire list of customers, which is also available. I can see the customer names, what balances are currently open. I can zoom into more information about the customers. And if I click on the My Customers in the top, I can manage my list and add or remove other customers from there. As a sales manager, I also have access to some charts. The first chart we're going to look at is the sales performance chart, and this will show me sales numbers in quantities as well as amounts compared to last year for my key account sales. This is a flexible dynamic screen. I can switch the view. Right now it looks like I'm looking at the view per year, and if I want to, I can switch to look at the view per month as well. I'm only seeing a tiny little bit of November, so if I'm going to switch my view to show a previous month, I can get some more information on the screen. I can also get some other numbers here if I switch to a different chart. I can, for instance, look at the furniture sales and see sales dollars for those as well as quantities compared to last year as well. There's also another chart for trailing sales orders that's available, and right now it's showing me all orders per month, and it's showing a number of orders on the screen. What I can do is I can switch to amounts, and of course view those by a different time period as well. In this case, let's go and look at the quarters. And here are the trailing sales orders per month per quarter. The system has the ability to schedule reports and send those to my phone in PDF format. I can look at my report inbox over here. I currently have one report coming my way. It's a sales cycle analysis in PDF form. I can click on it and take a look. Here's the PDF of the sales cycle analysis. It will show an overview of my customer groups, large and small accounts, the different stages of the sales process, and the number of opportunities in each stage, and the estimated and calculated values of those opportunities. A great way to look at the state of affairs in your sales cycle. On the far left-hand side, we have a menu. The menu will show me the different areas that I have access to. I can dive into sales quotes, sales orders, a sales budget, and this will also give me access to different types of sales quotes, for instance, the ones that are pending approval. I have access to the items in the system, the contacts. We take a look at the contacts. I get a long list of all the contacts I have. But Phone app has a smart search that allows me to find a contact quickly. In this case, I'm looking for Michael. If I type his name, the system will dynamically filter down the list to show the contacts that match. I can go to Michael, look at his address information, or you can get directions how to get to his office. I click on the online map. I can get a map with the address or with directions from my company. The system pulls up a Bing Maps with driving directions and transit time. I can also search for contact companies. Let's take a look at the Canon Group. Pull up the card. And for the Canon Group, I want to take a look at the comments and at the statistics. Let me pull up the comments first. I can see the comments that have been entered in the past for this customer. Next, take a look at the statistics. I can see the number of interactions that have happened against this customer, the cost of those interactions, what opportunities have been entered, and what the estimated value of those opportunities are. I can also take a look at what the opportunities are and where they're at. Currently, I have 3 opportunities. If I look at the first one, I can see that this one has been won, so the estimated value has been reached, and it's 100% complete. If I look at the last opportunity, this one is still open, and it's currently only 25% successful, and it's only 2% completed. That one definitely deserves a little attention. Let's go back to the menu. I can also set up campaigns in the system. And campaigns allow me to target a group of customers or a group of prospects with a certain sales action. In this case, I have 4 different campaigns. I can look at each of the campaigns to see what status they're in, what customers are attached to it, and so on. The system also allows me to set up to-dos and to view those. There are a lot of to-dos in the system, so there's an easy way to show just the open to-dos that I have. For instance, for the first one here, I need to identify key persons for my contact, Michael. Michael works for Capital Office Furnishings, and I can see that this one's in progress with a normal priority. There are a number of priorities in the system, and we can track when this opportunity or when this to-do starts and stops and how much time has been spent against it.